bonus reading for air signs for April the 4th to April the 5th. Ang nakikita natin dito is a 7 of Cups, the Page of Wands, and the 8 of Wands. Maraming paraan ang gagawin ni person dito to communicate with us. Ang pinaka nasa bottom ng kanyang plan, if those steps or bullets not going to succeed, the only resort is for them to show up. Either magpakita sa inyo, like in person, kung talagang naka-block siya. Pero itatry niya munang mag-reach out via text or calls, messenger, email, fax. May fax pa ba? Yun nga ang sabi ko, marami siyang naiisip na paraan para kausapin ka. Ang pinakahuli is kung talagang walang-wala is magpakita para i-resolve itong mga naging issues ninyo at para maging fluid na uli ang connection ninyo. So this is your bonus reading for April the 4th to April the 5th air signs.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.